Welcome back to Silicophilic. What if I told you that your smart TV is already capable of streaming thousands of movies, TV shows, live channels, documentaries, and even local news for absolutely free? Yet most people only use Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video and end up paying hundreds of dollars every year. The surprising part is that there are several official smart TV apps that are completely legal, easy to install, and is available on most smart TVs. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 free smart TV apps that can completely change the way you watch television. Let's jump right in. FilmRise. The first app you can install is FilmRise. Unlike many streaming apps that only license a handful of titles, FilmRise actually owns distribution rights for thousands of movies and television shows. That means everything inside the app is completely legitimate. You will find crime scenes, classic television, action movies, comedy, reality TV, documentaries, true crime. One thing I really like is that FilmRise often includes complete seasons instead of just a few episodes. So if you start a show, you can usually binge watch the entire series. How to watch? Open your Smart TV's App Store, search for FilmRise, install the app, launch it. Browse by category or search for a title. Select a movie or show and click on the Watch Now or Play option. Since it's ad supported, you don't need a subscription or even a credit card. Rakuten TV. Next up is Rakuten TV. Inside the app, there is an entire free section where you can watch movies, documentaries, and TV shows without paying anything. Because Rakuten works with major studios, the streaming quality is excellent. How to watch? Install Rakuten TV from your Smart TV's App Store. You will get it on Google Play as well. Open the application and browse the available collection. Choose a title, click on the play option. If a movie requires payment, it will clearly display a rental or purchase option, while free titles are marked accordingly. DistroTV. If you enjoy channel surfing like traditional cable television, you will love DistroTV. DistroTV is completely legal to use. It's a legitimate ad-supported streaming service owned by DistroScale.inc. Instead of focusing only on on-demand content, DistroTV combines live television with a growing library of movies and shows. You will find live news, entertainment, international channels, lifestyle, music, documentaries, sports-related programming. The interface feels very similar to traditional cable TV. How to watch? Install DistroTV, launch the app. Choose either live TV or on-demand. Browse the available channels. Click any channel to begin streaming instantly. No registration is required for most content. PBS. The next app is perfect if you enjoy learning while being entertained. The public broadcasting service PBS is entirely legal and operates as a private, non-profit television network in the United States. PBS offers some of the highest quality educational programming available today. Inside the app, you will find nature documentaries, history series, science programs, travel shows, cooking, arts, children's programming. Many of these productions rival premium streaming services. How to watch? Download the PBS app, open it. Browse featured programs, choose a show, click on the Watch Now or Play option. Some local PBS stations may ask you to activate the app, but a large amount of content remains freely accessible. The CW. If you are into superhero series, dramas, mysteries, or young adult television, check out the CW app. The CW network is a completely legitimate and legal American commercial broadcast television network, jointly owned by Nexstar Media Group, Warner Bros., Discovery, and Paramount. Unlike many network apps, you don't need a cable subscription to watch many of its shows. The CW frequent uploads full episodes, complete seasons, original programming. You will often find episodes shortly after they air. How to watch? Install the CW app, open it, browse available shows, select a series, start streaming. No cable login is required for most content. News On. Cable subscriptions are expensive, but many people only keep them because they want local news. News On is completely legal to use and is an official, legitimate streaming service owned and operated by Sinclair Broadcast Group. That's exactly where News On comes in. News On gives you access to hundreds of local television stations across the United States. You can watch local news, weather, traffic, breaking news, community reports, all without paying for cable. How to watch? Install News On, open the application, allow location access if prompted. Choose your local station, watch live broadcasts or previously aired news segments. Freebie TV. Lastly, but definitely not least, is Freebie TV. This app does not receive nearly as much attention as it deserves. It combines live television with a collection of free movies and television series. Its biggest strength is simplicity. You install it, open it, pick something to watch. That's it. There is no complicated setup or endless menus. How to watch? Search for Freebie TV in your Smart TV's App Store. Install it, launch the app, browse live channels or on-demand content. Select a program and start watching. The interface may be simple, but it delivers exactly what most viewers want: quick, free entertainment. Bonus tip: here is something many people don't do. After installing these free apps, move them to the first row of your Smart TV's home screen. That way, instead of opening paid streaming services out of habit, you will immediately see your free options every time you turn on the TV. It's a small change that can save you a surprising amount of money over time. As you have seen, you don't need an expensive cable package or multiple streaming subscriptions to enjoy great entertainment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tips on free apps, streaming platforms, Windows tricks, and tech tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments which free Smart TV app do you use the most. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.